There's a plant for every yard, and it's just learning about these plants, thinking about what conditions you have in your space, and applying the right plant to the right site. And so hopefully, people will bring questions. We'll provide lots of information about plants that have worked for us, lots of photos, lots of cool things to see and talk about, and take lots of questions from the crowd. The landscape I've inherited has been mixed native and introduced plants since 1845. So we eliminate the invasives. We do select things that are good actors, that don't behave badly in the landscape. And we share those items too. If it's something that has the potential to seed out, we share that so people know. Some things that do tremendously well for us here are things like bald cypress in the right planting site. Spring growth dogwood is an amazing flowering tree. We love black gum. We love Kentucky coffee tree. There are just some really stalwart plants that work in almost any situation. The gates are open every day. People are encouraged to come, walk the grounds, enjoy the grounds, and take photos. If you come into the office, we have self-guided tours that can be looked at. We have highlights on there for the state champion trees and our one national champion tree are on our map. So there's really a lot of great plants that you can see, even if you only have 1 hour to go through the grounds.